Hi, to fix brightness issue on your iPad 10th generation, firstly let me show you my current brightness level. For that I'm gonna swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and as you can see my brightness is almost at the maximum point, but display is still really dark. So to solve this problem we would need to open settings. On the left side go in accessibility, and then on the right choose display and text size. Now, scroll till the very bottom of the page and check out the brightness. If it's enabled so the switcher lights up green, you will need to disable it because this feature usually makes the screen darker, and without the brightness enabled, the brightness of your display will adjust depending on the lighting around you. So now it is disabled and we can control brightness level manually. And after that go in this reduce white point, and as you can see it is enabled, but when it's enabled it reduces the intensity of bright and white colors, right? So let's disable it by tapping on the switcher, and yep, now the screen is really bright, so I'm gonna just reduce brightness a bit, and this solved our problem. But additionally we can scroll a bit more and check this section. We will need to disable it as well by tapping on the switcher, and after that enable to increase contrast because this can improve the perception of the screen. And after that we will need to restart our device by pressing and holding this power button and volume up buttons at the same time. Let me show you. I'm gonna hold the buttons. Now simply slide to power off, and then we will need to hold just the power button to turn back on our iPad 10th generation. Just hold the button till you see the Apple's logo appears on the screen. Great, now it's back on. So if the problem with brightness still exists, then the last way how to solve it is go in the settings. From here we would need to choose this general tab, go in software update, and make sure that you are updated to the latest version. If you got new updates, like in my case, I suggest you to update your device because usually updates include fixing old issues and adding new features. So just tap on update now or update tonight, and that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.